tiny camper van may look small at first glance, but don't let its size fool you because it's packed with surprises. From an incredibly smart sleeping layout that outshines most competitors, to a bathroom setup so unique and spacious it almost feels unreal, this camper is anything but ordinary. Meet the Westfalia Nugget Plus. But the big question is, can this compact van truly be a game-changer? Let's find out. The Westfalia Nugget Plus starts at around $85,000 and can climb past $90,000 depending on the extras you choose. Visually, this camper instantly stands out. Its compact, bold body design doesn't scream camper van at all. In fact, it looks more like a rugged SUV that's been taken to the next level. One of its biggest strengths is its size. Measuring roughly 17.6 feet long, 7.4 feet wide, and 9.1 feet tall, the Nugget Plus is incredibly easy to maneuver. Tight city streets, narrow mountain roads, or crowded parking spots. This van handles them all without stress. And you won't need a massive garage at home either. Now, you might think such a compact design means limited space inside, but that's where you'd be completely wrong. The interior is shockingly spacious, and we'll dive into that shortly. First, let's take a look at the front. Up front, the Nugget Plus looks bold and confident. You get a large windshield, big headlights for excellent road visibility, and fog lights positioned low for added safety. Sitting beneath the hood is a stylish grille finished with a Ford logo, giving the van a premium feel. And yes, this camper is built on the Ford Transit Custom chassis. Under the hood, it comes with a 2.0-liter engine producing 130 horsepower, while higher variants offer up to 180 horsepower for those who want extra punch. But the real visual highlight here is the massive overcab above the driver's cabin. This isn't a pop-top roof. It's a permanently raised roof design that gives the van a bold, aggressive character. And it's not just for looks, it plays a crucial role inside. Moving to the passenger side, the Nugget Plus rides on 16-inch wheels that may look modest but are perfectly capable for long journeys. You'll find a side door, window, and large side mirrors for excellent visibility. Just ahead is the main entrance, and above it sits a powered awning, creating a perfect shaded spot to relax outdoors with family or friends. Large tinted windows line both sides of the van, flooding the interior with natural light while maintaining privacy. They also make the camper feel far more open and airy than you'd expect from something this size. Now let's talk about one of the most impressive parts of this camper, the rear section. With the rear doors closed, everything looks clean and elegant. You'll find tail lights, a reversing camera, and even a rear window. Want to bring bicycles along? No problem. There's an option to mount a bike carrier at the back. Open the rear doors and things get interesting. There's space for neatly stored outdoor chairs and a table, making campsite setup quick and easy. But the real magic happens when you realize what Westfalia has done here. You can attach a rear tent directly to the open doors, instantly creating extra private outdoor space. And this isn't just a random add-on, it serves a very important purpose. Before going inside, let's quickly check the driver's side. At the back, you'll find the shore power connection used to charge the onboard batteries. Speaking of power, the Nugget Plus comes with two 95-amp-hour batteries, keeping your appliances running even when you're off-grid. There's also an option for roof-mounted solar panels, though exact specs haven't been officially revealed yet. Water capacity includes an 11-gallon freshwater tank and an 11-gallon wastewater tank. While that might seem modest, Westfalia has cleverly designed the interior to make the most of every drop. The freshwater fill inlet sits just ahead of the power connection. Now let's step inside through the sliding main entrance door. Entry is wide and comfortable, and there's a fly screen to keep insects out. A fixed step helps you climb in easily. You might notice there's not much exterior storage, but that's because Westfalia moved the smart storage solutions inside. The moment you step in, it doesn't feel like a camper van at all. The interior looks more like a premium SUV. You're greeted by a long sofa directly beside the entrance, along with two captain's chairs up front. It's clean, modern, and thoughtfully designed. In front of the sofa is a foldable dining table, creating a cozy dinette area. And with a simple transformation, that sofa turns into a bed for two people. But here's the twist. This isn't even the main bed. The driver's cabin is equally impressive. You get comfortable captain seats, excellent visibility, privacy shades, and a well-designed dashboard packed with useful tech. Above the center console is a control panel that lets you manage the heating system, keeping the interior comfortable in any weather. Despite its compact footprint, the Nugget Plus offers outstanding interior space. There's plenty of headroom, easy movement, and no feeling of being cramped. Strategic lighting and large windows make the van feel bright, fresh, and surprisingly open. Next to the dining area is the kitchen, and it's both compact and premium. You get a round sink with faucet, a 2-burner gas stove, a built-in fridge, and plenty of storage. Drawers, cabinets, and smart compartments let you organize everything, from cookware to groceries with ease. Opposite the kitchen are large storage units for clothes, bags, cushions, games, and more. There's even an extra countertop with storage beside the entrance, plus overhead cabinets along the sidewalls. Now, where's the main bedroom? This is where Westfalia gets clever. The Nugget Plus features a sliding bunk bed system stored above the driver's cab. To use it, you simply slide it down toward the lounge area. No motors, no complicated setup, just slide and sleep. This spacious double bed is incredibly comfortable, and even when it's set up, there's still room to move underneath. It's more durable, simpler, and more reliable than traditional pop-top beds. And how do you get up there? That's solved at the back. Just wait, because now it's time for the most shocking feature of all the bathroom. At the rear, you'll find a cassette toilet, a fold-down sink with mirror, and a storage island filled with compartments for toiletries and essentials. The toilet cassette is easy to remove and empty, but the shower? That's where things go next level. Using the rear doors and privacy screen, the Nugget Plus creates an outdoor shower room that feels bigger than the bathrooms found in many massive motorhomes. An extendable shower head attaches overhead, giving you a full, comfortable shower setup without stealing interior space. There's also a privacy door separating the toilet area from the rest of the van, so you never feel exposed. You'll find 2 24-pound gas bottles powering your kitchen. And remember that bed ladder? It's mounted right here for easy access to the bunk bed. So now the question is, what do you think is the best feature of the Westfalia Nugget Plus? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love compact campers, check out our video on the smallest camper vans from Japan. We'll see you soon with another luxury motorhome adventure.